Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm starting a 100 days of makeup challenge. I searched on YouTube and found out that many people have. However, I am determined to complete this challenge, inshallah. Before I begin, if you haven't seen my Ideal as a Makeup series on YouTube, you can search for Scientific Ideal as a Makeup series and watch it. Please leave a comment and let me know how you like the videos. Let's get started. First, I will apply face powder using this brush all over my face. Next, I will fill in my eyebrows nicely. After that, I always apply concealer before I make up. I'll blend it well and set it with powder. Then I will cover my nose and blend it nicely. Now let's move on to eye makeup. Next, I will take a dark brown eyeshadow and blend in the creases as well. Make sure to blend it well. Next, I'll take a dark brown eyeshadow and blend in the creases as well. Make sure to blend it well. I will cut the crease. If you don't know how to do it, you can check out my channel for a tutorial. Next, I will apply a dark eyeshadow on my inner corner. Now, I will take the same dark brown eyeshadow and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. Then, I will blend it. Then, I will apply chunky glitter. I will apply the same eyeshadow on my waterline and blend it. Now, it's time for my favorite part. I'm applying eyelashes. I will also apply more lashes. I will highlight my brow bone and a corner of the ear and the tip of my nose. And the makeup is complete. I need your support throughout this 100-day makeup challenge. This is episode 1, so please share this video as much as possible. Don't forget to like it. May all the protect